I was sent this replacement lithium-ion battery from CEENR and asking my opinion on it, make this short video. This is a battery that is an aftermarket battery compatible with the DeWalt family of tools. Comes in a one pack, and this particular one is an 8 amp hour battery. So it's a little bit larger than your standard 4 amp hour battery because I've got a lot of cells packed in here to give you that 8 amp hours worth of power. Overall, it's a pretty nice design. You see all the corners are rounded. The material feels pretty durable. It's got a good feel to it that for a construction use or a contractor use, this is going to hold up. It's got a nice durability feel to it. There's some LEDs in here. I'm not sure how that's activated because on my tools, the LED is typically on the tool, not the battery, but we'll have to give that a try to figure that out. It's got your same button press that your DeWalt batteries are going to have here that lowers the catch on there. And then it's also got a power meter here, which you can press and get 3 indicating lights here of how much juice is on there. If I was to compare this to a 5 amp hour battery, you can see the additional length. There's a couple more cells in here on this particular size of battery that gives that extra amount of power. It's a little bit wider. These cells are probably just a little bit on the length, a little bit more as well. Have to open it up to really be to confirm that. But you can see the difference. As far as height goes, they are a little bit taller here, and I believe that has to do with the way that those cells are double stacked in there. So definitely a little larger battery, but if you're running something like an air blower, leaf blower, this is what you want because it's going to last you a long time on one use. I'm going through a lot of my DeWalt batteries when I'm using that leaf blower. It takes up a lot of power. So overall, yeah, I'm pleased with what they've got here from CEENR for this replacement battery. I'm going to be using this one for the next month or so just to give it a whole durability test and feel how these are. I typically will go with OEM replacement batteries, but this one's got me thinking that this might be worth it because it's a large capacity, really good value, and the same compatibility. So I'll go ahead and end this here, but look back in the future for another update on how this battery is performing over time. Hope that helps. Have a great day.